There are three different types of spray gun maintenance: daily, periodic, and overall. Daily maintenance is lubricating your gun. And you want to lubricate the needle packing with a couple of drops, run the trigger back and forth, and allow it to draw into the needle packing. The air valve, and do the same thing, just a couple of drops and draw it back and forth so that it'll go back into the air valve. And then finally, the trigger stud. That's daily. Periodic maintenance is done weekly, and the end of the week is usually the best time to do it. We use the Clean Strip nozzle cleaning kit because it's simple, it has a little basket, and we're only cleaning the air cap, the fluid tip, and the needle. For safety considerations, we use the SAS safety gloves and glasses. Of course, you're in a well-ventilated area when you're doing this. The following day, the three pieces are then neutralized with water and hand brushed clean. For demonstration purposes, we'll do all of the pieces at the same time and reassemble the gun. The third step would be overall. An overall means the entire gun has been taken apart and soaked in this SG14 product, which is meant to remove heavy residue from the gun. You're going to soak the gun overnight in this product, neutralize it with water, and at that point you're ready to start brushing the parts individually and inspecting them prior to reassembly. For that, we are going to use the DeVilbiss maintenance kit, which will maintain and clean your Binks and DeVilbiss spray guns. We'll start with the baffle. The baffle is cleaned with a general purpose brush by cleaning the entire outside threaded area, the face, and the back. The inside with the 1/2-inch brush, and is now ready to be assembled into the gun. From there, the fluid tip is next, and for that we have a 3-piece brush, mini brush kit. We'll start by cleaning the needle seat. After that, we're going to clean the internal part of the fluid tip with the end brush, so not to damage the seat. We're back again to the mini brush kit, and you're going to go all the way around and do all of the air holes in the tip. From there, using the general purpose brush, brush off the exterior and the threads and install it in the gun. We're ready to do the air cap. For this, we have a pick, which is also used to remove seals, gaskets, and needle packings. We're going to clean the exterior of the air cap and the interior of the air cap ring. We're going to clean the outside of the air cap using the general purpose brush and the end brush to clean the inside. The largest of the 3-piece mini can be used for cleaning the fluid hole. From there, you clean your air horns, both front and rear. Your kit comes with a 7-piece stainless steel needle set. I've taken the liberty of picking out the appropriate needle and left it in the pin vise so I don't have to search for it each time I intend to clean my gun. And you want to do all of the holes, all of the air holes on the face of the gun with your needle to make certain there is no blockage. The air cap is ready to be reassembled. And installed on the gun. From there, cleaning the passageways in the gun, the air valve passage, the material control chamber, and the fan adjustment chamber. The material control sleeve is then done, brushed clean, threaded area, and installed in the gun. The air valve is next. You're going to brush off the exterior and the threads, inspect for damage, install your gasket, You're now ready to assemble the needle. The needle packing should be lubricated prior to the needle being inserted. Material control spring is next. General purpose brush is meant to be cleaned the threads on the material control knob. You're now ready for the fan adjustment. The fan adjustment is the same. It's cleaned all of the threads, the general purpose brush, and the knob. You want to be absolutely certain that this is backed off all the way prior to installing it in the gun, or you will damage the seat. The trigger is cleaned with the general purpose brush and installed. The gun is now completely overhauled and cleaned and is ready to be wet tested prior to storage. This completes the thorough maintenance and cleaning of the GTI Millennium